Today, we will break down our topic in two parts. In the first part, we will understand some values related to population versus consumption of packaging material globally, with data analysis. This is termed as per capita packaging consumption for each region. We'll use the given figures to validate or derive the per capita consumption of packaging materials for each region and compare it with the global average. In the second part, we will discuss about global usage of basic packaging materials and also future of the same. Before we go for calculation of per capita, let's have an understanding how the same gets calculated. Per capita consumption is equal to total consumption of packaging material divided by total population of particular area. Population of India is 1.42 billion and per capita consumption is 10.5 kilogram per person. Population of Germany, 80 million, and per capita consumption is 44 kilogram per person. Population of Taiwan, 24 million, and per capita consumption is 19 kilogram per person. Population of China, 1.42 billion, and per capita consumption is 45 kilogram per person. Population of Brazil, 220 million, and per capita consumption is 31 kilogram per person. These calculations align closely with the given per capita consumption values for the regions. The global average of $108 per capita in packaging consumption seems to correlate with the individual per capita data provided, considering global packaging consumption trends and differences between regions. Now we will get into packaging material usage breakdown. Paper and paperboard account for 30% of the total packaging material used globally. This makes them the most widely used packaging material. They are popular due to their versatility, recyclability, and the ease with which they can be printed on, making them suitable for various applications, from consumer goods to shipping containers. Advantage of using paper and paperboard is highly recyclable. Recycled paper can be used to create new paper products, reducing the demand for virgin materials and conserving natural resources. Also, paper products decompose relatively quickly compared to plastics, which is beneficial for reducing landfill waste. But good things comes with challenges also. Production of virgin paper requires significant amounts of water, energy, and trees, leading to environmental concerns. The second largest usage of packaging material is flexible packaging. Flexible packaging often requires less material than rigid packaging, which can reduce shipping costs and overall material usage. Also, flexible materials can offer excellent protection against moisture, light, and oxygen, which is crucial for preserving the quality of many products. But flexible packaging materials are often more challenging to recycle due to their multi-layered structures and the variety of materials used. Third most usage packaging material is rigid plastic. Rigid plastics provide strong protection for products and are resistant to breakage. They can be molded into a wide range of shapes and sizes, making them suitable for various applications. Plastic packaging, especially single-use plastics, contributes significantly to environmental pollution. Plastics can take hundreds of years to decompose and often end up in oceans and landfills. Role of packaging engineers and packaging technologists to provide better solution. Number 1, implementation of new technologies. Given that paper and paperboard are the most consumed packaging materials, packaging engineers and packaging technologists have a significant responsibility in this area. Here's why their role is crucial: to shift from using virgin paper to recycled paper. This not only conserves natural resources, but also reduces the environmental footprint of packaging. Packaging engineers can work on improving the quality and availability of recycled paper. This involves collaborating with recycling facilities to ensure high-quality recycled paper is produced. Also by designing packaging that uses a higher percentage of recycled paper while maintaining functionality and aesthetic appeal. Number 2, collaboration with marketing and brand promotion. Engaging with marketing teams to promote the use of recycled paper in packaging. Effective marketing strategies can highlight the environmental benefits and appeal to consumers who are increasingly concerned about sustainability. Educating consumers about the benefits of recycled paper packaging can drive demand and support for sustainable practices. Number 3, challenges with virgin paper. Using virgin paper does not solve the environmental issues associated with shifting from plastic to paper packaging. The production of virgin paper has its own environmental impact, including deforestation and higher energy consumption. The focus should be on maximizing the use of recycled paper and exploring other sustainable materials and technologies to reduce reliance on virgin paper. As a conclusion, we can agree while paper and paperboard are the highest consumed packaging materials, their environmental impact and the need for recycling make it essential for packaging engineers and packaging technologists to focus on improving recycling processes and promoting the use of recycled materials. By working closely with marketing and brand promotion teams, they can help shift consumer preferences towards more sustainable packaging solutions and contribute to reducing the environmental footprint of packaging.